Thank you so much for tuning in. My name is Annie Krieger. Today, let me share with you a simple recipe on how to make your tomato pasta sauce at home. And for that, these are the few ingredients we need. First, I have about 1 kilo of canned tomatoes. You can decide to go for fresh tomatoes if you have a perfect one. All you need to do is just slice it or rough blend. Now, again, I have my bell peppers, I have red onion and Scotch bonnet pepper. Go for Scotch bonnet pepper according to your taste or to your preference. What I did is just rough blend the bell pepper, the Scotch bonnet pepper, and the onion. Include to your tomatoes if you have canned one and just set aside. Another thing on my list is my sardine and fresh king prawns or fresh shrimps. Now to season that, I will go in with some amount of ginger garlic paste, some amount of salt, some chili flakes and lemon juice. Toast all that together and set aside. You can as well decide to go for any of your favorite fish spices to marinate your prawns. Let me say a very big thank you to my returning subscribers for always tuning in. Thank you all so much for doing so. If this is your first time on my channel, my name is Annie Krieger. You are highly welcome. Please go ahead and check out more recipes on this channel. And if this is what you love to see, kindly stick by subscribing to this channel. Hit the notification bell just to be among the first person to be notified anytime I post a new video. Thank you so much for doing so. If you have watched to this time, please go ahead and hit the like button if you haven't already done so. Thank you again for doing so. I truly appreciate all that. This will go a long way for me. At this point, our shrimps is ready. What I did is go in with good amount of butter to my shrimps. This will give you that beautiful butter garlic shrimps flavor that you need. Now toast that together and set aside, or you can decide to continue using the same pan to make your sauce. What I did is just grab a fresh pan, add in some amount of oil, go in with your sliced onion, toast a little bit, then bring in some ginger garlic paste. Avoid letting your ginger garlic paste get burnt. Then bring in your tomato pepper blend, generously incorporate, cover up and let it cook for about 4 minutes. 4 minutes later, it is time to season to your preference. I love my vegetable powder, so I went in with some and just small amount of salt. Our goal is to achieve a nice fresh tomato sauce, so we will avoid over seasoning this. You will cover up and let it cook for 5 minutes. 5 minutes later, it is looking super good. So bring in your sardine if you have one and your toasted prawns, and that's it. Add in some fresh basil if you have any, and you are good to enjoy your sauce. This is the easiest tomato pasta sauce ever and the most delicious one. Very fast and everybody loves it. I hope you enjoy watching to this time. Please don't forget to give your thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the like button. Leave your opinion in the comment section, and also share with your loved ones. Let me say a big thank you to my returning subscriber for always supporting me through this time all through the year 2024. I appreciate you all so much, and I hope to see you all in 2025 again. See you all in my next one. Happy New Year. Bye for now, lovelies.